Ready to stop scrolling and start mastering the markets? In this year, Finelo AI has become the top entry point for new investors, but because it's a subscription-first platform, getting your account set up correctly is key. And today I'm showing you the process to open your account and pick the right plan for your goals. So on the website, you can register here as well as on the phone, but if you're doing this from the website, just press on the Get Started button. In here, just pass this intro part. So do you have experience? Say yes, for example, then just continue. Then just choose your age. As you can see, we will have 13 pages of questions. So let's say, for example, which range? This one. So do you have so what's your plan? Say side hustle. Just pause these, okay? Choose your experience level as well, where you found out about Finelo, how much time you wish to spend. So it pretty much gives you like this tutorial, the first tutorial asking you the most fundamental questions about your experience. What's your income level? What are you going to do with your earnings and stuff like that? And how much time you're willing to spend daily. Okay, and now it's creating your personal challenge. And now let me also explain to you how everything else works. So in terms of the subscriptions, Finelo requires it to access its core content. You will usually see a few options, premium monthly, quarterly, or also the annual plan. So in this year, typically prices range from $9.99 to $29.99, depending on the tier. If you see a 1-week free trial offer, take it, but remember, these usually roll into an annual sub automatically, so set a calendar reminder for day 6 if you're just testing the waters. So in here, just provide your email, and then you just can confirm it and also proceed to the verification. So how does it work? So it requires the verification link to sync your progress across devices, and then once verified, add to the profile tab to ensure your investor persona is set up. This ensures the AI mentor speaks to you at your actual skill level, whether you're a total beginner or a intermediate scalper. And just like that, you're ready to start your 28-day journey to financial security. If this Finelo setup guide helped you get started today, subscribe to our channel and like the video.